Mikey Williams was watching from...
Talaga?
Talk mo lang coach in there, like, kausap pa kayo or what?
We haven't spoken in a while. There was a time we've been in touch. We've been in touch with his agents. Ang dami yung agent na nakausap ko. Hindi ko na alam kung sino talaga. But since then, we've had radio silence for perhaps, I don't know, kung 1 year now, or at least 6 months already. So, he knows my number, he knows how to get in touch with me. I always say I'm just a message or a phone call away. But we didn't allow it to affect us. I don't know, inapektuhan ka ba in any way? It wasn't even in our minds, Scotty.
Kinamusta ko lang siya kasi wala naman kami, as a player, wala naman kaming okay naman siya sa amin. Kinamusta lang namin siya. And okay naman siya. Parang fit pa nga siya ngayon.
Yeah, maganda yung tsura niya. Yeah.
Maganda pa niya.
Tama yung sinabi ni Calvin eh. Every time he's here with us, di ba? No problem sa practice,
Wala
game,
naman,
training, workout. Wala.
Outside na siguro.
Pag lumalabas lang siya ng Pilipinas, yun ang problema. Pag nasisid, hindi na umahon eh.
Yun na yung pinakakuha nun. Pag sumisid, di na umahawin. Hindi, palaging nawawala yung cellphone.
Pag nandito, wala kami
Walang
problema.
walang problema naman. As a teammate, as a friend, wala naman siyang problema. As a coachable naman din siya. Okay?
Okay na.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.